In front of me is my phone N23, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting two apps that you wish to use in this view and accessing them in the background. To do that, tap on the first one, hit home button, tap on the second one and click on square button. Now you need to decide which app you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it at the top. Then select Split Top in the pop-up and tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!